Hello everyone, you might have seen this type of anime picture or images in Instagram, Reels, Facebook Reels, YouTube or TikTok, and they get viral very easily. You know that this kind of images are made by AI. You can also make this type of images and it's very easy and simple. If you see this profile on Instagram, you can see they just simply post AI generated images and gain lot of followers and engagement. So I'm going to show you how to create this type of images. So you need to log in the Gemini AI. Just search for Gemini AI in Google. You'll find Gemini AI in the first link. So this is a AI from CapCut. So you need to sign up with your CapCut account. So just check mark this. Then just simply sign up with your Google account. So just sign in. Continue with Google. Signing into Gemini AI. Here you'll find the image generator option. And also this image generator is now free right now. You might have some daily credits in the right corner. So just go to the image generator and you can see I have already created some image from the Gemini AI. So you can see in the left corner here you have to write your prompt here. So I just type a simple prompt here. A lonely rural house in village, starry sky scenery in the style of anime. So you need to type the style of anime to get the result like this. And also you have to choose the model to image 2.0 and you have to choose the higher quality here. Then you need to choose the 9:16 ratio that is for the Instagram, TikTok or YouTube shorts. Then you just need to click on generate and you can see now it's free and also you can also get daily credits. So just click on generate and it will generate your images. And here's the result for the prompt that I gave. So I like this one, so I'm just going to click it. And then you need to upscale the image for the HD version. So just click on upscale. Now the image has been upscaled to HD version. Now you can download these images and you can post it on Instagram. Now you can create lots of images and try lots of prompt with this Gemini AI. Also the image quality is very HD here as you can see. So you can post this type of anime images that goes viral in Instagram. I have shared some prompt in my description. You can copy it and paste it and get some good result from your anime images. So that's it guys. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe and thanks for watching.